Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rajesh. Now I am discussing about what object of a class contains. What object of a class contains? This is a question in Java. What object of a class contains? And answer for this: the object of a class contains instance or non-static data or members and function definition. Object of a class contains instance or non-static data and function definition. Just object contains function definition. Okay, I am defining one example now. Simple example: class demo, open bracket, int I equal to 0, j equal to 1. This is non-static data. Before main method, what I am writing, this is called non-static data. Now I am defining public static void main method. In every class we write main method because our application execution will starts from main method only. I am creating object because to load non-static members into main method, because whenever we start execution, main method is loaded into the RAM. We using object and load main method from bytecode to RAM. Execution starts from main method. In every class, execution starts from main method. I want to load non-static members or data into main. We need object, that is from bytecode to RAM. Whenever we ask our JVM to execute our class, it will load using object. We load non-static members from bytecode to RAM. Okay, class name int I equal to 0, j equal to 1, main method to execute our logic, demo is object to load non-static members from byte. Main method is loaded first whenever we start executing. System.out.println to print our data, non-static members data. d1.i I 0, d1.j 1, close main, close class. Okay, another question, very important this all. Why do we need need object in Java? we need object to load non-static data from bytecode to RAM. Why do we need object? We need object to load non-static data from bytecode to RAM. Please like, share. Please like, share, subscribe my channel for more updates.